Hello friends, my name is Alina and I'm from PTE Tutorials Ausis Group. With me is Ebi Saju and he has secured 65 plus, which was his expectations. He has been from Kerala and his profession is electric engineering. And can you tell me something about yourself, Ebi?
Yeah, my name is A.B. Saju. Actually, I am graduated from MG University's in electrical branch, and now I want to migrate to Australia with almost 65 plus overall. So, yeah.
Okay. Yes, he has secured in all of the four modules, he has secured very nicely. His overall score was 65. In speaking, he has secured 69 marks. In writing, he has secured 73 marks. In reading, he has secured 73 marks. And again, in listening, it was a good score of 67. So, Ibi, I would just like to know how was your learning experience from PTE tutorials?
Yes. To be honest, I just found the PTE tutorials on website. Firstly, I
Okay.
don't trust. I didn't trust the PTE tutorials because
Okay.
a lot of services available online. But
Okay.
after some tutorial staff, I just found from the your
Okay.
Telegram group, and they helped me a lot of, especially the Shruti madam and
Okay.
Malcolm sir. They have helped me a lot with their tricks and tips, so I
Okay.
can able to find my score, which is 65 plus.
That's really great. And what was the best part which you found of PTA tutorials? The online coaching, materials, Telegram group, tutors. What was the best part which you would like to recommend?
Yeah, the best part is the Telegram group because
Okay.
they're very instead replying the fault or what is your weakening area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I,
Okay. And I want your honest reply that would you like to recommend all of the viewers to refer our PTA tutorials for
yeah,
the
of course.
okay. And
Sure, madam. Because anyone really is struggling with the PTE score, whatever your score is wanted, just to go to
okay.
the PTE tutorials and take a one-to-one or a online coaching, you will definitely get the requirement
Okay.
you score.
That's really good. And we will surely congratulate on achieving your desired score. And do you think that really an English language or the PT exams is really difficult to ace? And do you think that it's totally depending on the strategy which students should implement? What do you think
Yeah.
about that? Yeah.
Firstly, PTE exam is not a purely language test. It
Okay.
includes a lot of tips and tricks. So
Okay.
first, you need to understand the strategy, proper strategy. You want to know about the
Yes.
total structure and what was the things
Mhm.
which is needed for the 79 plus or 65 plus. You must learn from that from the PTD tutors. First, then you can easily apply and you can easily quote the your request.
Okay, sir. What sort of materials or what things had you opted from PT tutorials? Which materials you had referred? And it was the Telegram group which has supported you till the end of your exam date.
Yeah, I just installed the PTD application from the Play Store. Then I
Okay.
practice a lot of materials. You know, there is also update. They are getting updated from each month, so I used that updated material. So it is very easy for me to familiarize with the questions. So in real exam, I found a lot of repeated materials from the your applications. So that was very helpful.
Okay, sir. And what is the guidance which you will give to the PT aspirants who are having their exams in 1 week or in 2 week and they're very depressed regarding their exams? What is the guidance which you would be giving them?
Yeah, the guidance is that just focus your requirement and find out the strategies, and a lot of tips and tricks are included from group members, especially the Telegram group is one of the leading PTD materials providing also the tips and tricks you can easily use, and these are the very simple tricks and tips, or yeah, you can directly apply from that.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your sparing your time. And one last question I would like to know that is the thing that the modules are interconnected. That's why there is a difference in the scoreation and variation. So when you had just appeared for your PTE exams, when you were sitting beside that, in front of your exam in the exam room, and you were having that exam really in the PT in Pearson Center, so what was the thing? What was your strategy which you had thought before your exam starts?
Yeah, okay. First of all, I am not very much good in English language. You can easily find out by my speaking. So it's
Yes.
not depends upon the language proficiency or skills. It purely depends upon the strategies and the tips and tricks. I just focus on the combined modules like in reading and in writing. There are a lot of combined marking modules are present. So I just focus more on that types of questions and apply the tips and tricks for the same from the tutorial materials. So I found I can able to get
Yes.
my requirement.
Yes. So the marking pattern, if we see of Pearson, do they particularly take attention of the accent which we speak? Or do you think that yes, with the right strategy, we can be able to handle that accent part? Because
Yeah,
there are many students. Yeah.
yeah, madam. Definitely, with
Mhm.
the right strategy, you can easily go. You will
Yes.
get the required score. Here.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for spending the times. And viewers, as you can see, that it's all about the strategy which you implement at the right time with the right questions. So it's easy to have your PTE possible with the PTE tutorials. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so much, viewers, for viewing it. Thank you so much.